5 foods that make you look younger. 1. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are easy to incorporate into regular meals and dishes. Tomatoes have lycopene, an antioxidant that prevents the breakdown of the skin-firming agent in your skin called collagen. Your skin will remain supple and elastic with proper consumption of tomatoes. 2. Pomegranates. This juicy red fruit is certainly full of flavor, but it is also packed with antioxidants. It is a rich source of vitamin C which can help you fight skin dryness as well as fine lines, sagging, and wrinkles. 3. Avocado. Eating 1 avocado a day reduces cholesterol levels and supports the process of skin regeneration. It provides your body with vitamin C, potassium, and antioxidants, and it is rich in folic acid. 4. Berries. Strawberries, blackberries, blueberries, grapes. These small fruits contain antioxidant properties that prevent or delay some types of cell damage and can reduce joint swelling and pain. We especially recommend that you consume blueberries as they improve cognitive abilities and help prevent urinary diseases, Alzheimer's, and dementia. 5. Broccoli. Broccoli has always been popular because of its health benefits. It is a storehouse of vitamins A, C, and E, which protect against harsh UV rays, inflammation, and aging processes, such as the development of wrinkles and sagging skin.
If you like my videos, give it thumbs up and share with your friends.